It strikes me that the perception surrounding Corona, much like that of numerous other heavily marketed brand name products, often exceeds its actual merit. There's a tendency in our consumer-driven culture to assign an inflated value to items simply because they carry a recognizable label, sometimes overlooking perfectly capable and even superior alternatives. Take, for instance, this unassuming folding hand saw. It's a testament to the fact that quality and effectiveness don't always necessitate a prominent brand. This particular saw, a truly generic item that has likely been marketed under a multitude of different names over time, embodies a quiet efficiency. It's the same fundamental tool, consistently produced with a high-speed steel blade that offers a respectable performance right out of the packaging. However, its true potential is unlocked through the often overlooked art of sharpening. In our contemporary society, so deeply entrenched in the cycle of consumption, the notion of sharpening a tool likely seems archaic, a relic of a bygone era. The prevailing mindset encourages a continuous cycle of purchasing and discarding, relentless pursuit of the new and the next. This ingrained consumerism, while seemingly offering immediate gratification, often leaves a deeper sense of emptiness. Furthermore, this constant acquisition of goods contributes significantly to environmental degradation, burdening future generations with the consequences of our disposable habits. Now, while the finest tooth configuration on this generic folding saw might never achieve the aggressive cutting prowess of a Corona with its specifically designed teeth, its performance is nonetheless impressive, particularly after a careful sharpening. It manages to slice through a piece of hardwood measuring 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches with remarkable ease. In the context of assessing the benefits of sharpening, this feat clearly marks it as a success. The difference in cutting ability is palpable. The sharpened edge is noticeably 2 to 3 times sharper than its original factory state. This simple act of maintenance transforms an already decent tool into a significantly more efficient and effective one, highlighting the inherent value that can be derived from understanding and engaging with the tools we own, rather than simply replacing them. See my previous video in more detail on how it's done. It's basically the same for similar saws. See you later, alligator.